Hey guys, today we got a 2019 Honda HR-V and we're going to replace the air filter and the cabin air filter. Now these are the two that I purchased. I got these at AutoZone. You don't have to get these specific brands. You can get them at the dealer if you want to buy them at the dealer. This is the air filter one and this is the cabin air filter one. Now they do have different ones. This is their base model one and then this is their little upgraded one. I couldn't find the regular air filter one in their higher grade one, so I ended up getting that one. This air filter is probably not that dirty, but I'm replacing it anyways because I just did an oil change on it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. It's fairly simple to do on these vehicles, at least the air filter is. The cabin air filter is going to be a little bit harder, but not super hard. So first off, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to locate the air filter box, which is right here. If you look at the battery, it's right there. It's right in the back, and it's really simple. There's 3 clips. There's one here on the right side that you take off here, another one here, and then one more right there. Those little metal pieces here. What you're going to want to do is want to lift it up and then grab the air filter and just pull it out. And just how you pulled it out is how you're going to stick the other one back in there. Now if you look at this one, it's a little bit dirty, a little bit dirtier on the back side. You can see it here where it's a little bit dirty, but it's not like super dirty. But we're going to go ahead and replace that one. I'm not sure, you know, how much mileage you're supposed to replace these at. It's always probably good to replace them at maybe every time you do the oil change would probably be good. But you don't have to go that drastic. You could probably wait a little bit longer. Now to put it back in, you want to lift it up. Now you want to look inside here. Now, if it does have some dust or anything in there, make sure to blow that out. You know, make sure that there's no dust. If like an air line, you can blow it in there. Just make sure if you do that, like right over here where it goes into the inlet, cover it up when you're doing that so that it doesn't blow the dust into there. So you want to go ahead and lift that up. Make sure it goes down in there like that. And then back there on the corner, make sure that the tab for the back goes into that. There's 2 tabs. There's one there and there's one right on the other side, right there and right there. It's got 2 tabs on the back that you want to make sure that goes down. Push down, gets flat, and then snap that side. Snap that one. And that's pretty much for the air filter. So now I'm gonna move you over to where the cabin air filter is, which is behind the glove box. So we do need to take whatever you have out of the glove box and then go ahead and work our way in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you around and we'll get started on that. Okay guys, so we're right in here where the glove box is. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Make sure to empty out any of the contents that are in here because you're going to need to drop this down and some of the contents might fall. So what we do need to do is we need to get to the left hand side of this, which is right over here. There is a little like it's like almost like a shock. So we want to like push away from us down and it'll unsnap it from right here where it's hooked in and get it out of the way. Now the next step is we're going to push the 2 sides of the glove box. The left hand side, which is right here, we're just going to pull toward just like that and get that away from in there. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to push that and then it should just come down. And now we have access to the cabin air filter. Now there's a little thing here, little tab, you push that in. Other side, same thing, push that in, and that little cover comes down. Just set that cover down. Wow, this cabin air filter is really dirty. I don't think it's ever been replaced. So we're gonna pull it out towards us, okay? Make sure you try not to let any of the stuff fall in there. The new cabin air filter is like so. So now that I look at this a little bit more carefully, the original one does show airflow going down. Okay, so you want to make sure to get your new filter and if it says, you know, airflow, you want to make sure that going down, and then you want to go ahead and stick it and put it inside. All the way in. Snap it back into place. Get this back up, kind of pull in a little bit here on both sides, and then we're going to reattach that side on the left hand side. We're going to go ahead and reattach this piece right here to the glove box. So I got to pull towards us and then snap it right back into place. And you're all done. Pretty simple. So that's how you install the air filter and the cabin air filter on a 2019 Honda HR-V. Thanks for watching.